The entrepreneur mindset. Everyone wants to build a well-established career, right? We see a lot of people saying that they want to build a business that would change their life. However, the real question is, how many of those people actually succeed in establishing their business? Now, you are here because you also want to build a business. But first of all, you need to understand what stops people from achieving success in their lives. We see a lot of people who are not happy in their life, and they are not living the life of their dreams. I want to be honest with you guys, and the truth is, most people are not going to succeed. However, a few people do succeed and achieve all of their goals. You might have your own excuses and reasons why it won't work out. However, results come from an obsession with getting yourself to take action. Many have all the resources they need to establish their business, but they still fail. So, you need to understand that success has nothing to do with resources, background, or biography. Let me tell you that it takes massive, relentless action to succeed in life. We see that a lot of businesses do not succeed. In fact, 80% of businesses are gone in 5 years. They fail to exist in the market. So, if you think that you are going to build a successful business that will be running and growing in the upcoming 10 or 15 years, it will require a different level of commitment. You will have to deal with a lot of challenges and keep improving your skills. Success requires a mission. You need first to decide, why am I doing this? When you know why you started something, you have the willpower to face any of the challenges that you are going to face in your journey towards success. Your primary mission should not be to earn money. In order to get through all of those challenges, you need to have something even more than money. And along with the mission, you also need a tool. The tool of momentum. So what creates the momentum and how do we change it? Right now, you want to start a business and it requires momentum. Human beings can do some extraordinary things. Well, we have seen humans doing things that seemed impossible, right? What some people do is amazing. However, what people actually do is usually disappointing. I want to be realistic, and most of the time, fear prevents people from achieving their goals. They do not have enough passion, or they are afraid. These people allow fear to take over their minds and lose momentum. At this point, you need to take massive action. The sense of certainty is the real secret to creating that momentum that will make you succeed. When you are certain that you will do it, you actually do it. On the other hand, when you are not sure about something, whether it is going to work or not, you do not give your full potential, and that's what's preventing you from getting successful. Think about it. When you are not sure, are you going to take the massive action? No. So, this means that you take little action when you have little certainty. In response, you will get little or no results, and then you think to yourself that you knew it wouldn't work out. Eventually, you give up, and if you still try it again, you have more uncertainty and you get worse results. This is the actual reason why the poor gets poorer and the rich get richer. And when I say rich, I mean to be rich emotionally, spiritually, physically, and of course, financially. Think of it this way. Do you wonder how happy people get happier and how people who are making progress make more progress? All that is because of the momentum. It changes you quickly, and your momentum decides whether you are going to succeed or not. So, what do you do when your momentum is negative? You need to change your certainty, and you do this by getting the results in advance in your mind. Humans have unconscious beliefs about everything. So, when you have the certainty of executing your plans, you actually succeed in achieving your goals. You need to visualize and experience the results in your mind, and you will get certain about your success. When you fail to achieve your goals, you might think there is something wrong with yourself. What's wrong is with this belief that you have in your mind is that you have to succeed in the first attempt. What do most successful people on this planet have in common? Well, let me tell you that they have this momentum and they have learned to increase certainty. When you succeed or vividly imagine the results, it will make your body and mind more certain. You will take more action and get better results. What happens is, when you get bad results several times, you start crushing yourself. You doubt yourself and you get worse results every time. This is why the poor get poorer. And let me also tell you that most people tend to progress in one aspect of their life and they are poorer in another. For instance, your relationship with your kids might be getting better, and your relationship with your spouse might be getting worse. Why? Because you were giving enough time and you are uncertain. You don't know what to do. This means that a lot of people are just going in one direction, and we really need to change it. You can change this by getting the results in advance in your mind. After enough repetition, you will have enough certainty and you will execute it. The next thing successful people have in common is hunger. When you have the hunger to achieve something, you are looking for answers. You do things over and over again. You are willing to master something. Hunger means that you are never going to settle for something less. And you need to understand that you must have long-term hunger. I am talking about the hunger that a person like Warren Buffett would have. Just look at this man. He is in his late 80s and he is still trying to improve himself. Well, he does not need to earn more money or grow his business, right? That's the hunger you should have if you want to succeed. Now, I will tell you the key to mastery. Think about your mission. Think to yourself, why am I here? Why do I need to do this? You need to think to yourself, what is the real mission of your business? When your mission is to serve, you will add value, and you are going to become a brand. The key is to get certain. You have to visualize the results in advance in your mind over and over again. Here are 3 keys to master. First of all, you need to obsess. You should be focused and committed. When you are obsessed, you have the energy to find answers. Let me tell you that when your brain is obsessed with something, you start noticing those little extra details that you didn't notice before. Well, these details and your commitment help you succeed. Now, the second key is massive action. Start where you are and just try something. Try to execute your plans. How are you going to succeed if you just don't take any action? So, what do you do when something fails? You try something else and keep trying different things until it works out. You need to focus on what you really want. You need to be specific. And now, I will tell you the third and last step. To achieve something great, you need grace. You might call it luck. At some point in our lives, we sometimes feel like we are guided. And for becoming a successful person in your life, you need to achieve physical mastery. So how do you do it? Well, the first step is cognitive learning. You acquire knowledge and understand things through thoughts, experiences, and the senses. Then, you move to emotional mastery. You learn how to feel moment to moment and use it to your advantage. You need to practice with the emotions. And after establishing a strong emotional link to your mission, you move to the level of physical mastery. At this stage, you have practiced so many times with so much emotion that it is in your body now. You can do it without even thinking about it. If you want to become a business owner, you need to make sure that the mission is clear. And let me tell you that repetition is the mother of skills. If you keep doing it repeatedly, you will become a master, and you won't even think while doing it. In the end, you need to understand that the real key to success is execution. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. My channel is all about self-improvement, and it is focused on helping people with everyday issues. So if you have not already subscribed, subscribe to it and press the bell button so you receive a notification each time I upload an interesting video on this channel.